Welcome back to Dugmer Junction. This feels like it's like take 100 now. Everything seems to be going wrong, but we'll get there in the end. Anyway, today's subject is going to be the Hornby Class 50, and we're going to show you a variety of different DCC sound files you can have in these locomotives. So, just like the Class 37 one we've done recently, it's going to be a very basic demonstration where we start locomotives up, blow the horns, and let them pass the camera. If you'd like to see a bit more of an in-depth video of a specific sound file we show you today, let us know and we'll be happy to publish one for you. Anyway, without further ado, let's start off with 50021 Rodney, which is got a Southwest digital sound file in it. So we'll just load this one up now. Just going to allow it 15 seconds to warm through. And just an overview again, that was a Southwest digital sound decoder. Next we have 50005, which is Collingwood, and this is the original Hornby digital sound file. So again, I'll just let it warm up for 15 seconds or so. So again, that was the original Hornby digital sound file, which was the V3.5 decoder, I believe. Anyway, moving on to the next one, we have got 50047 Swiftsure, and this one has got a Hornby TTS sound file. He's on his way. And again, that was a Hornby TTS sound file. I believe we've got 3 left. So next is 50048, which is Dauntless, and this is the original Legomanbiffo sound file. Bit of a cold start by the sound of it. This one just takes a moment to move off. I'll be with us in a moment. Doesn't sound like it wants to play ball. Give it a few more seconds. Here we go. And after all that waiting, it goes past really quietly without any thrash. Next up, we've got 50026 Indomitable. And this sound file, my memory is escaping me, it's Jamie Goodman's sound file. And this is actually an interesting note on this one. The sound file inside the locomotive was actually recorded from 50026 Indomitable when it was at the Chinner and Princess Risborough Railway as well. So let's just fire this one up. And this one's got a bit of a longer startup sequence as well. And again, that was the Jamie Goodman sound file. So last but not least, if you've made it this far, is 50043, and this is the second variation of the Legomanbiffo sound file we have. So again, it may have a slightly slower start up. And to conclude this video, as it passes, I'll blow its horn. There we go. I hope you enjoyed that short video of the different DCC sound options you've got for the Hornby Class 50. There are others out there available on the market, but that is all we have in our fleet, unfortunately. So if there's any of those particular sound files you'd like more of a demonstration on, leave a comment below and I'll happy to record a video on it. Anyway, hope everyone's well. You guys take care, and we'll be with you with a new update video from Dugmer Junction very shortly. Ta-da!